me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Dwi Farasari. You can call me Nabila or Bila. I'm from Banyuwangi, and I was born in Banyuwangi 22 January 2006. And now I'm 19 years old, and I'm a second semester student in Muhammadiyah University of Sumber. And then I'm majoring in engineering, focus on informatic engineering. One of my favorite hobbies is playing game online with my friends. I think that's a little about me. Thank you for watching. So, goodbye.